I am a manufacturer of shirts. For the past 2 years, I have been using a lead generation service called Buy Leads, offered by IndiaMart.com. This service gets me leads from buyers across the world. I decided to create a short video on how to use this service. I go to www.indiamart.com. As I reach the home page of the website, I click on My IndiaMart on the left panel of the website. I log in using my email ID and password. I reach the My IndiaMart page. From the menu on the top, I click on My Buy Leads. To see the list of recent buy leads available, by default, I get a list of leads relevant to the industry which is mentioned in my IndiaMart profile. I can see Indian and foreign leads filtered separately city-wise and country-wise. You will notice that the contact information of the buyers is not visible. To see the contact details, I need to buy that particular lead. Alternately, I can use the search option to look for relevant buy leads related to a specific product. Here are some of the keywords that I searched for in the past, accessible from my searched keywords section. Now I have a list of leads which I review to select the best suited option for my search requirement. I give preference to leads that have the verified and updated tag, as these leads have been verified by IndiaMart team over the phone and have additional information like product specification, quantity, etc. To buy a lead, I have to spend buy lead credits. After reviewing the cost of the lead, I click on Buy Now. As you can see, the amount of the credit available in my account is less than the cost of the lead. I click on Purchase More Credits. I have the option to choose from the Basic, Classic or Gold package. After selecting the Basic package, I click on Proceed to Payment. Proceed to payment here, and I make the payment either through my credit card or a debit card. I choose to pay by credit card. Once the payment is successful, my account gets updated with credits. I can now purchase my selected lead by clicking on Buy Now. The contact information of buyer becomes visible and it automatically gets saved in my purchased buy leads section, and I can see the details and contact of the buyer, and I am done. Also, catch my other videos on how to respond to a buyer and how to use buy leads more efficiently. In my previous video, I showed you how to use Buy Lead service from IndiaMart. This video shows you ways to respond to the buyer and to make the right impression on the buyer. Let's take the example of the last lead that I purchased. I go to www.indiamart.com and I click on My IndiaMart on left panel of the website. I log in using my email ID and password. My purchased leads are available in my purchased buy leads in the My Buy Leads menu. First off, you should contact the buyer within 24 hours of purchase to make best of the opportunity. The sooner you respond, the better the chances that you are one of the suppliers who will be considered. I have multiple options to contact the buyer. I can send a direct response by clicking on Send Response. An online response form appears. I fill in the desired details and send the same to the buyer. Some key things to remember while sending a response to the buyer. Keep the reply short and precise. Include your website address. Ensure that your reply is in the same units that the buyer has asked for. For example, If he has asked the prices in rupees per foot, then don't respond in rupees per meter. Avoid using short forms, abbreviations, internet and SMS lingo. Keep the replies open-ended, giving the buyer the option to ask for changes. I can use a similar approach and respond by email by forwarding the buy lead to my email ID and respond from my mailbox with the desired details. I can also call the buyer directly on the number mentioned in the purchased lead. Do remember to check the time zone of the buyer's country before calling him. Here is a quick tip: purchase multiple leads. Don't buy one lead and wait for the buyers to respond. The buyer may be busy or may not be available just then. You may miss out on the opportunities that are available. Do catch my other videos on what are buy leads and how to use buy leads more efficiently. You may have seen my other two videos on what are buy leads and how to contact buyers using the buy lead service. Here is one more: how to make the most of the service. As a supplier, my advice to you is to keep a database of all the buyers that you have contacted, even if a buyer may not respond to you in the first attempt. I have a bad instance where I have struck deals with buyers several weeks or months later. Here's what I do. I go to buy lead section in my IndiaMart and I click on my address book. The contact details of all my previously purchased buy leads are available here. I keep in regular touch with buyers by sending updates about new products that I have. Do remember to avoid sending many mails to the buyer, as he will ignore you after a while. Every few months, I also send a physical catalog or a letter to the buyer. This ensures that information about my products reaches a potential buyer's desk. Since there are new buy leads coming in all the time, I have also subscribed to IndiaMart Buy Leads Alert. First, I go to privacy settings on my IndiaMart page to control my email and SMS communication preferences. I scroll down to Buy Lead Alerts. I check on the box Enable these email and SMS alerts. After this, I click on Manage Subscription. I click on Trade Alerts. A pop-up box appears and I select Buy Offers, and I pick all types of products that I am interested in, browsing through the categories or by searching for categories. I can add as many as categories to my subscription list, after which I click on Submit Categories. Soon I will start receiving daily email and SMS alerts containing latest relevant buy leads as per specifications.